this video I'm going to show you how to find Facebook hidden phone number. So what you want to do is you want to open up Facebook and then you can search for your friends. So let's say this person. Now if I would scroll down, maybe I can see his phone number here, but as you can see I can because he didn't leave it. Oh, here is his phone, so there's a way you can do it. And that's the way you do it, but sometimes some contacts won't have that information in their profile, and the only way to do it is to directly ask them, hey, can you give me your phone number? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.